फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का नक्षत्रा 27 रिसर्च सेंटर फॉर एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल साइंसेज में स्वागत है। मेगा वास्तु, वास्तु विदाउट डिमोलिशन। टुडे subject we are going to take is Vastu Dosha. Before we start with the Vastu Dosha, we must understand actually what dosha is. You all know our body takes food, food becomes juice, juice becomes blood, blood becomes tissue, tissue becomes fat, fat becomes bone, bone becomes marrow, marrow becomes aquaplasma, which are the vital fluid in the spinal area of our body and which governs the immunity and vitality of our body. If the quality of fluid, vital fluid is good, the quality of Kundalini Shakti, the life force is also good, and so the quality of our biomagnetic force is also good. If any sort of problem in the food we are taking, then dosha starts and get in our body. There are three different type of doshas as per Ayurveda. These are Kapha, Pitta and Vata. Means there are water, heat and air related doshas or problems. These doshas start giving us pain, and if pain is not addressed in time, it becomes disease, and if even disease is not taken care of in time, can give the death. So dosha needs to be addressed when they start. Similarly, the energy flow to the 16 directions and 5 elements or tattva should be harmonious and uniform and well balanced. If there is a problem in energy flow in 16 directions and 5 elements, then it will called dosha, and it will disturb the vastu energy of that particular space, as it is not the dosha in human body but in the space in which human being is living. This energy imbalance reflect in the subconscious mind of the people living in that particular space. Let us say if there is an imbalance in west of southwest, as this is the area of education, it will reflect the educational behavior of the children of that particular house is not accordingly. If there is imbalance in southwest, then it will reflect in the relationship problem in the husband and wife of that particular house. If the imbalance reflects in the north of house, then it reflects in the problem of career, problem in the growth, problem in the opportunities, and problem related to job instability and discontinuity. So the study of Vastu Dosha is 90% of Vastu consultancy. The moment we zero the root cause of the problem, it become easy to get the best solution to the problem. So the main thing is to diagnose the problem in the right way, in the right manner, by understanding the energy, element and directions. Friends, join Mega Vastu to become a certified Vastu consultant. Thank you.